1. Question. Which ancient Celtic festival is considered the precursor to Halloween? Answer. Samhain. Welcome back, everyone, to the MindGames episode presented by Let's Learn Kids. If you like this type of videos, please click like and subscribe. Thank you. Now, let's continue. 2. Question. What is the term for a ghost that is able to move physical objects according to folklore? Answer. Poltergeist. 3. Question. In Greek mythology, who is the ferryman of Hades who carries souls of the dead across the river Styx? Answer. Charon. Are you ready for Halloween? Don't forget to share your score in the comments. Let's continue. 4. Question. According to folklore, what is a ghost that can take the form of a black dog, often considered an omen of death? Answer. Hellhound. Question. What is the name of the headless rider who is said to appear around Halloween in Sleepy Hollow? Answer. The Headless Horseman. Now, let's make it more challenging. 6. Question. What vegetable was originally carved for jack-o'-lanterns? Answer. Turnips. 7. Question. What is the fear of darkness called? Answer. Nyctophobia. 8. Question. What was the real-life inspiration for Dracula? Answer. Vlad the Impaler, also known as Vlad Dracula. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks. Nine. Question. In Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, what is the name of the ghost who is the resident and patron ghost of Gryffindor House? Answer. Nearly Headless Nick. 10. What do the colors orange and black symbolize on Halloween? Answer. Orange represents autumn and harvest. Black represents darkness. Bonus question. In what year did the famous War of the Worlds radio broadcast by Orson Welles take place? Answer. 1938. Good job, everyone. Don't forget to visit our channel. Remember, learn something every day. We will see you in the next one. Are you ready for Halloween?